Welcome back to my channel. On this very video we are going to be making eggplant sauce. Here I have 2 eggplants. You can use any eggplant of your choice. I have the fresh parsley leaf, I have the chicken liver, I have the smoked turkey, I have some fish grilling in the air fryer, and I also have onion, salt, scotched fresh bonnet pepper. You can use any one of your choice. You can use any chili of your choice, but I prefer this one. And I have 2 chicken cubes. So without wasting much of your time, let's get straight into the video while I go off camera to watch and cut my vegetables, and I'll be back. So this is the size I chopped my eggplant. Onions, I chopped the onions because I want it to be transparent in the sauce. So I had this pot boiling with water, so I'll just turn it into the strainer and boil it for like 5 minutes to soften my eggplant and the pepper. I'm doing this just to retain the nutrients to my vegetables. So after 5 minutes, I'll just be using this hand food processor to process the food. You can choose to skip this if you choose to, or if you want to, but I prefer it more like this for easy consumption because of kids. So as you can see, I am done with that. So I'll be adding some olive oil into my pan, and adding my onion, I'll just let that sit for like a minute, and then I'll be adding the other ingredients. Here is my air fried or grilled chicken liver. Now I'll be adding my eggplant. Now I'm adding my air fried fish, and I'll just give that a stir. So I'll just leave that to cook for like 3 to 5 minutes, and then it's ready. So I will be serving mine with plantain, or some people call it banana plantain, but as an African it's called plantain, and the name is called originally plantain. So I will be serving this with my plantain, and it's so nutritious to eat fresh plantain or boiled plantain. So this is the end result of my food. If you do try, give this recipe a try. Please let me know, and don't forget to make use of the comment section. If you watched up to this moment, thank you very much. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment. Share to your friends, share to everyone. This is a very simple and healthy recipe. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. And if you haven't subscribed or is the first time coming across my channel, please endeavor to subscribe, and stay blessed, stay safe until next video. Bye.